Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Ray. This is DIY Nation back in the house. Guys, I got another episode for the BMW R1300 GSA adventure bike. You know, you've been following my channel. I'm a proud owner of this bike. Been doing a lot of updates. Check out the affiliate links and the playlist on this particular bike. Now, for this video, guys, and you saw in the title that I will be adding the ezSWITCH by HEX onto my bike. Now, I have to give you guys some advice, is that if you plan on updating your bike and putting auxiliary lights on, so like the Long Rider or Denali's or whatever aftermarket parts, and you're going to be installing a CAN bus system, especially from HEX, because they are the leading people in this type of technology, I highly suggest add the ezSWITCH while you got the bike taken apart. All right, don't do it afterwards. Oh, you're gonna have to do it afterwards if you didn't do it, but if you're just starting off, get the ezSWITCH along with your CAN bus, because looking at this, I thought it was going to be easy plug and play, which it is, but you're still going to have to take the bike apart again. And I'm kind of annoyed at myself that I just took this apart, put it back together, enjoying it. Now I'm going to have to take it apart again just to add this one switch. So again, if you're going to do this, guys, get the ezSWITCH, run the wires. You don't have to hook it up, but at least you have it in. So when you decide on how you want to utilize this ezSWITCH, it's already installed. That's all. All right, so that's my pitch on it. Again, and none of this is sponsored. I bought this with all my own money. Check out the affiliate links in the description of this video. Those links do support this channel, guys. Help me bring more content like this to you. Please utilize that. If you want to hit the button, what button down there? Hit all the damn buttons. But if you want to buy a brother coffee or a tank of gas, there is a donation or support button down there. Hit that. I greatly appreciate anything you send over. Is greatly appreciative. So enough of me talking. We're going to get into this. Very easy to do. I'm not going to show you how to take the bike apart because I already did that in several other videos. Look for the videos in the description. It'll take you to it. Not hard, it's just time consuming, and that's all it is. So got to get back into it. I'm gonna take this all apart again so I just can run this switch and this module to back here, because this all has to come off so you can tuck it away, secure it, what have you. And also, especially if you own the Long Rider or you installing the Long Rider, now you know that you utilize the white CAN bus, you're gonna have to get a splitter. All right, so I have to order that now to add this to that module. So have the splitter also ordered. All right, I'll put a detailed list of what you need in this description, so please get all your parts before you even start this. And that's that. So again, like, subscribe. Enough of me talking. Let's just get into the video. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm showing you how I got it installed. The switch is over here on the left hand side, held with tie downs. Now, to let you know, guys, I had to take the whole bike apart again. Alright, I'm pretty sure if you're not worrying about how your wires are running, you probably can find an easier way. But I wanted my wires to be flush to the bike, along with all the auxiliary cables that's down there. All right, this is just informational. Tie down is right over here. Let me see, focus this. All right, tie down's right there. I have it tied down into the harness using the existing harness right here. All right, it's just following same thing, the same harness going down inside. Now you're just gonna follow straight down. Let me see if I can focus this. Hope you guys can see this. Let me see if I can lighten it up a little bit. Straight down that middle, along with the cables. And then you're just gonna run it right here, coming out. All right, attach it to your existing cables. Follow through here, underneath here, and it comes out right there. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Now my ezBUS is over there, so I have to see if I have enough clearance. Right now I just wanted to get the wires in and underneath the seat so everything's attached. Now I'm gonna put everything back together, and then I'll come back over here and disconnect, take all this off to run all the existing wires to get it connected. So just a little informational for those who's looking to do the same thing. Unfortunately, I did have to take off the gas tank for me. All right, you may find another avenue to run your wires. I just chose to do it this way, so it's nice and clean and out of the way. So let me keep it moving and get this all back together. Okay guys, gonna keep it moving. Now, I got everything hooked up. Had to take the bike apart again. All right, got the switch up on the handle. This is the red version. And it's just coming out. It's coming over here. Now you can, depending how you ran your CAN bus, it's able to reach anything. One thing I realized when I did order this and I had to wait and it just came in, you have to pick up a Y splitter, because in this case I have the long rider lights that's taking up the white channel. So you're gonna have to get a splitter like this. All right, this is gonna go into your white channel if you have the Denali lights, or you have any lights that require the CAN bus on the white switch. You're gonna have to use this along with the ezSWITCH. It's a must. You must order this. Now I recommend, this is the Denali version here. Denali sends you 2 wires. For the cost you get 2. You also can order from HEX that makes the CAN bus if you want, but I think it's more economical, especially if you're in the US. Just order the Denali. It's all the same. You get 2 for your system. All right. So I have an extra one now, which is ideal, so I can get more accessories. I already have one on hand. I am running it. It's underneath here. And also, word of advice, don't be shy on cutting some tie downs to get your wire, cleaned up. All right. So don't try to put it on top of it. Cut some of these tie downs, which I did. Get that wire underneath so it can lay flat and clean. And that's pretty much it. All right. So it's connected into the white CAN bus or channel. Is split between the long rider lights and the ezSWITCH. Now my ezSWITCH is controlling the red channel, which is here, which I suggest, again, mark your cable telling you which one it is. Once you get into the HEX program, you can adjust it and tell which accessories you wanted to control, which I did. And what this switch does is allow me to now control my fog lights, pretty much giving it an off and on switch and some other functionalities that I didn't have without it. So that's the reason why I added the switch, which is now giving me that functionality to turn this off and still have my lights on. All right. Okay guys, I got the things hooked up, got my computer plugged in. All you have to do is just go up to here, this part up here, hit that. It says ezBUS devices. You're just gonna click that ezBUS devices, and you're gonna see you're just gonna do a scan. I already did it. As you can see, it comes in with the ezSWITCH. So once that's completed, you just close it. Now I should be able to see my ezBUS switch someplace in here. That's a brake light. There it is. Okay, I just want to show you. Now it says linked circuit. Now depending on your configuration, because you have 3 circuits up here. This is my 3D in the red. My blue, I believe, is my handlebar lights. The white is the Denali's, and the yellow is my brake light, which I'm probably gonna take that off and use the ezSWITCH because it has connection for the brake light. So I'm gonna do that later. But right here in the bottom, you see the part that says link circuit. It says auxiliary 1, 2 fog lights, LR is long rider lights, and horn enabler. So I believe mine is, I think, auxiliary 2, it may be. I'll check it out. I think it's 2. It might be 1, Not sure, but I'm just gonna play with it to get that switch to work with the Denali 3. So stand by and let me get that done. Okay guys, we're gonna keep it moving now. I have to do a voiceover on this clip because it just wasn't clear with the microphone. So right now I'm demonstrating that the bottom lights, the D3s, that switch I installed is now controlling that light, as opposed to trying to hook up your computer. I'm able to shut it off and turn it back on, which is ideal. Now, even having that switch, you can take that switch and control your long rider if you choose to. But it's important to have a switch installed on your bike. And also, as you can see, I'm able to control the intensity of the light by just hitting that switch. So you have a lot of functionality by adding the ezSWITCH to your bike. And it's something I highly recommend if you're going to be adding any type of auxiliary lights. Add the ezSWITCH to your bike along with the HEX cam or the Denali cam or whatever cam you decide to use, because you're going to want that functionality. It unlocks it. You don't have to use a computer. Having that button just give you the functionality to really tap into the power of your lights. So I hope this is helpful. Please consider like, subscribe, check out all the affiliate links that's listed below in description, and I'll just see you in the next one, guys. All right, ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you later. Peace.